Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to change default camera in Windows 11. It is very simple thing to do. So for that you need to search on your Windows device manager. Alright, search the device manager. And from here, as you can see, here is the camera option. And here is the little arrow key which you need to tap on. So tap on the little arrow key on the left of the camera. And as you can see, this is my camera which I need to disable. So if you right click on it and tap on the disable option, it will automatically disable the default camera, like your default camera would be in your laptop. So you just need to tap on right click and disable that camera to integrate a new camera externally. So that's how you can change default camera in Windows 11 on your laptop or in your PC. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.